We're off balance. The natural world is off balance.
We're talking about a watershed which runs into the Bristol Bay, which is the world's greatest wild salmon run, period.
My fascination with salmon began pretty early, and I thought I knew every last thing there was to know about them.
For tens of centuries, wild salmon came in such great number that it fed more people than all the corn, wheat, pigs, everything we've done since.
And there's more and more of us on this planet, and we can't get that in control. We better start paying attention to the refrigerator.
There was a law that said fish passage needed to be included in any new dam construction. That just didn't happen here.
When salmon farms first came in, I begged the government to leave some of the migration routes open, but they didn't.
Bristol Bay arguably is the world's most dynamic fishery.
You couldn't design a better place to produce sockeye salmon.
Even if it all escaped, which is not possible to have all of it escape, would not destroy the fishery.
You're going to have the tailings and the dams and somebody's going to have to monitor that forever? That just don't make sense to me.
We don't have a very good track record of actually erring on the side of protecting the fish as a resource. And if we don't get Alaska right, we may have a clean sweep of getting it wrong.